Hey Instagram users! Today I'll show you how to create eye-catching highlights on your profile. We'll focus on the best method, posting new content first, then adding it to highlights. This keeps your highlights fresh and organized. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon at the top of your screen to create a new story. Step 2. Create and customize your story content. Add photos, videos, text, stickers, or whatever you'd like to feature in your highlight. Step 3. Tap your story in the bottom left corner to post it to your stories. Step 4. Once posted, open your story by tapping your profile picture in the stories row or from your profile. Step 5. While viewing your story, tap the 3 dots icon at the bottom of the screen, then tap on Highlight. Step 6. You'll see options to add to an existing highlight or create a new one. To create a new highlight, tap New and give it a name. Step 7. Customize your highlight cover by tapping Edit Cover. When you're happy with everything, tap Add or Done to create your highlight. And that's it. Your highlight will now appear on your profile below your bio. Remember, posting to your story first and then highlighting is the best practice for keeping your highlights organized and up to date. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.